Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels. Today, we're diving deep into something that's turning heads across the RV world. The 2025 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome. This isn't just a motorhome. It's a land yacht built on the bones of a legendary big rig. If you're into power, comfort, and road trip freedom, you're gonna want to stick around. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 T2000 has a commanding presence. It's massive, sleek, and built with a full aerodynamic design that gives it a futuristic but rugged edge. Chrome accents, LED lighting, and high-mounted panoramic windows add to its premium feel. This thing doesn't just roll down the highway. It dominates it. Now let's talk performance. Under the hood, you've got a high-torque Cummins or Packard diesel engine, depending on your configuration, pumping out up to 600 horsepower. It's paired with a smart automated transmission, making long-distance driving smoother and more efficient. The T2000's heavy-duty chassis means it's ready for steep grades, unpredictable terrain, and just about anything you throw at it. Fuel economy? Surprisingly good for its size, thanks to modern engine tech and aerodynamic improvements. Plus, with massive onboard fuel capacity, you're looking at extended range without constant stops. Now, step inside and you enter a completely different world. This isn't just an RV interior. It's a mobile luxury apartment. We're talking about a full living room with reclining leather seats, an Ultra HD smart TV, ambient lighting, and surround sound. The kitchen is decked out with quartz countertops, a convection oven, a residential fridge, and even a dishwasher in higher trims. The master suite? Pure comfort. A king-size bed, cedar-lined closets, a built-in workstation, and a smart climate system to keep you cool in the summer and warm in the winter. And the bathroom? Think spa level. Walk-in shower, high-end fixtures, and even heated floors. Some configurations offer a garage space at the rear for bikes, ATVs, or even a compact car. Yeah, you heard that right. It's that versatile tech lovers will appreciate. The command center that controls lighting, climate, solar input, and generator management. All from a touch screen or an app on your phone. The 2025 model even includes voice control and Starlink satellite internet to keep you connected, no matter where the road takes you. In terms of safety, you've got adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system for easy maneuvering. Essential for a rig of this size. Let's talk price. Depending on customization, you're looking anywhere between $400,000 to well over $1 million. But when you consider the craftsmanship, durability, and technology packed into this rolling mansion, it starts to make sense. For full-time RVers, touring musicians, or those chasing adventure with no compromises, it's a dream on wheels. So, who is the 2025 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome for? It's for the bold. The ones who don't just travel, they take their entire lifestyle on the road. If that's you, then this might just be the ultimate motorhome out there. That wraps up our full review of the 2025 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome, here on Honest Auto Wheels. If you enjoyed this in-depth look, don't forget to hit that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more no-nonsense vehicle reviews every week. Thanks for watching, and as always, drive safe and drive smart. See you in the next one.